Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this webinar, which talks about your life after pandemic and the challenges you may face seeking the higher education. So, let me just introduce the organizer of this webinar. That's Aditus. What is Aditus? You might have gone through our social media pages. You might have gained some idea about it. But I take a huge honor in introducing Aditus to all of you as the perfectly designed ecosystem which connects students with the technology, and the technology connects all of you with the institutions, friends, bank, faculties, employers, and investors. Now, what is the need of connecting to all these factors on one platform which is designed in the form of technology? Let me tell you, in our daily lives, the thing which we focus mainly is the objective of doing anything. Why do you seek higher education? Maybe you want to build a career. Why you want to build a career? Because you want to be a successful person. Which factors define that how successful you are? Basically the amount of money you make, the kind of job you have, the kind of impact you are creating on your surrounding, maybe on society. All these factors, they evaluate how successful you are. And how do you analyze all these things, and when do you start analyzing it? Of course, as usual, just like other people, we do it very late. But guys, here we editors take a chance to make you understand that designing the objective for your lives has to be the topmost priority for everybody. Once you clear your 12th examination, your career starts. They all say 12th is the turning point. 12th is the turning point. Why? Because it shapes your career, it designs your career. And if you make mistake choosing your right career option, everything is gone. Your time is gone, your money is gone, your energy is gone. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to bring you on a mature platform which is going to talk about how the institutes function, how they should function, what kind of faculty should be there to teach you, what is the expectation from the employer, how your courses are going to get funded by the banks, what kind of friends you should have, and how do you keep in connect with them, and of course the career path which you are going to shape up. Everything will be recorded on this digital platform in the form of technology that we call it as editors. तो editors से क्या होता है? Basically आपका evaluation होता है, आप colleges and universities से connect होते हो, कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ने के लिए आपको जो पैसा लगने वाला है वो पैसा देने वाले सोर्सेस से आप कनेक्ट होते हो, आपको जो एम्प्लॉयर्स हायर करने वाले हैं आप उनसे कनेक्ट होते हो, आपका जो रेगुलर प्रोग्रेस है वो आपके फैकल्टीज मैप करती है, वो मैपिंग जो है वो इस पर्टिकुलर ऐप में एडिट होते जाता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रिव्यूज, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ परफॉर्मेंसेस, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्कोर विच यू गेन, and then this is finally displayed to the employer. And we are not just limited जहाँ पे हम आपको जॉब्स दे, बट ऑफ कोर्स वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे आप आपका क्रिएटिविटी दिखा सकते हो. यू कैन एक्चुअली सबमिट द बिजनेस प्रपोजल एंड वी थ्रू एडिटर्स विल गिव यू a right investor who is ready to invest into your very project. All right, so Aditus basically क्या करता है? Aditus makes you reach up to your dream career. ड्रीम करियर करना है, it means you need a quality education, you need a huge amount of funding for that. Of course Aditus also connects you to the funds, and then Aditus finally and foremost gives you access to your dream job. And how do we do that? ये हम अभी अगले presentation में देखने वाले हैं. So basically we help you in calibrating your potential, we help you understand your worth in the market, we make you understand कि मार्केट में बेसिकली रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है और आपके अंदर स्किल सेट्स क्या है. सो व्हाट वी डू इज वी एनालाइज दैट गैप एंड वी ट्राई टू फुलफिल इट. This is this is the this is the common way of you progressing through Editus. तो होता क्या है, basically you enter the system, मतलब क्या, you download this application called as Editus, and then you proceed ahead with creating your profile, and then you give the aptitude test. Now when we talk about the test, it's not just the aptitude test, it is followed by audio and video evaluation. आपका ऑडियो वीडियो का इवैल्यूएशन एंड आपके टेस्ट का जो स्कोर है, that will decide how eligible you are to get an employment, or if you're employable or not. Of course your score of this test will design if you're employable or not. It will give us the complete insight of the skill set which you have, because here we are analyzing your decision making skills in the form of aptitude test, and we are also checking on your communication skills, your EQ and IQ, by making you give audio and video assessments. The moment you clear the test, आपके score के हिसाब से you will receive pre-placement offer letter. Pre-placement offer letter क्या होता है? किसी भी कंपनी में जॉब ज्वाइन करने का जो assurance है, वो उसे बोला जाता है प्री प्लेसमेंट ऑफर. मतलब आप इस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी में एक स्पेसिफिक पीरियड के बाद एक स्पेसिफिक रोल पे एक स्पेसिफिक पैकेज पे काम कर सकते हो, और वो प्री प्लेसमेंट ऑफर लेटर फाइनल प्लेसमेंट ऑफर लेटर में कन्वर्ट होने के लिए आपको जो भी टेक्निकल, एजुकेशनल, स्किल वाइज, बिहेवियर वाइज चीजों की जरूरत है, दैट विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू यू through our collaborations, who are like the colleges and universities. Now you receive the pre-placement offer letter, you select the course, and then you apply for the college. Now college ko apply karte time, of course you have to pay some fees. Again, you don't need to worry about those funds. Those funds will be provided by our own banks and our own NBFCs. Yes, पूरा funding आपके education का will happen through Editus, and you have to go through a systematically designed process. Then you start your courses and you get 100% return on investment. Return on investment क्या होता है आपको नहीं पता होगा, but then of course your parents know about the return on investment. Return on investment is just not calculated on the money. 4 साल में मे बी आप 4 लाख खर्च करोगे, 4 लाख खर्च करने के बाद you seek a degree of engineering or maybe BBA or BCom, and then the kind of job you get are of 15,000 rupees per month, 10,000 rupees per month. तो एक साल में आप कितना पैसा बना रहे हो? 1.5 लाख रुपए, 2 लाख रुपए. इज इट दी 100% रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट? 4 लाख खर्च करके आपको वो 4 लाख कमाने में अगले 4 साल लग जाएंगे. इज इट वर्थ? You only think, you discuss with your parents, and then you decide what is worth and what is not. With Editus, any student with minimum score will get a short package of 3.5 lakh rupees. Yes, you heard it very right. The minimum package assured with Editus is 3.5 lakh rupees. You should get this package once you complete your education. If you do not get it, we will refund or we will waive off 50% of your fees. हम आपसे 50% fees लेंगे ही नहीं. And we are giving this particular thing in writing. Yes, this is the beauty. Now, which all courses do we offer? So basically, I will tell you, education is the biggest investment. This is the investment which pays you in the form of best returns possible. And it gives you right kind of returns on right kind of investment. Please understand, whenever I say this word investment, it means we are calculating the money you invest, we are calculating the time and energy you're investing. So please understand, make a wise choice whenever you are planning to invest any number of years of your life. And after 12, certainly it's a huge turning point. Now, let's talk about the specializations and courses offered under Editus. सबसे पहला कोर्स एंड मोस्ट लाइक्ड एंड मोस्ट प्रेफर्ड कोर्स बाय all the 12 pass students out there, bachelor's of business administration. Bachelor's of business administration, if you do from any other college or university, the kind of specializations you may get are HR, marketing and finance. और कितने सारे लोग मार्केट में एट प्रेजेंट एचआर मार्केटिंग फाइनेंस का डिग्री लेके बैठे हैं बट दे डू नॉट हैव जॉब्स. उसके दो रीजंस है, बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ जॉब्स आर लेस बट देन एप्लीकेंट्स आर मोर, and second reason is even though there are some jobs available but these candidates they are not competent enough to get those jobs. पहले वाला रीजन जो है it plays a important role. Now what if we give you different specializations as compared to other institutions? Okay, so these different specializations can be banking and finance, microfinance, digital marketing, real estate, hospital administration and foreign trading. Why there is a need of these specializations in BBA? Pandemic के बाद क्या हुआ? Manufacturing industries, they are not certain. Manufacturing मतलब जो industries produce करते हैं, bikes produce करते हैं, vehicles produce करते हैं, machines produce करते हैं, उनका क्या हाल है? Do you understand? You can imagine the effect which has been caused by pandemic on the tourism industry. Is it going really well? BPOs, बहुत सारे students BBA करके MBA करके they work in BPOs and then basically these BPOs had been proven a good source of employment even for engineering graduates. So everybody who is finding it difficult to get the jobs, they basically go ahead with BPOs. वो BPOs का जो sector है, that is called as IT sector. So IT sector, manufacturing sector, tourism industry, hotel industry, all of them had been badly affected. But then of course there are certain segments which are affected very positively. जैसे banking and finance. Government has recently announced a package of 20 लाख करोड़ रुपए. अभी ये 20 लाख करोड़ रुपए बॉटम ऑफ पिरामिड, मतलब जो विलेजेस में लोग रहते हैं, जो गरीब है, जो अपना घर प्रॉपर्टी गिरवी रख के लोन नहीं ले सकते, उन सारे लोगों तक पैसा कहाँ से पहुंचेगा? 20 लाख करोड़ में से कुछ हिस्सा तो उस सेक्टर को मिलेगा, वो कैसे पहुंचेगा? Obviously it will percolate up to the last person of the society through banking and microfinance industries only. तो क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि पैंडेमिक के बाद गवर्नमेंट जो भी स्कीम्स लेके आएंगे फाइनेंसेस को लेके, मनी को लेके, it is going to get boosted through the banking and microfinance industries. So we estimate that there will be nearly more than 25 lakh jobs available only in the operations of microfinance and banking industry. This figure which I'm talking about is also boosted and supported by some of the famous research companies of India. Talking about digital marketing, आपको इस वेबिनार के बारे में कैसे पता चला? आप ये वेबिनार कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे देख रहे हो? Of course, you're watching it using the digital platform, using the social media platform. And I am not supposed to tell you कि ये कितना influential हो चुका है, ये मीडिया कितना influential हो चुका है. So it is very, very necessary for all the people out there to learn about digital marketing in detail. और digital marketing मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपने Facebook पे post boost कर दिया. No, it starts with understanding the algorithms of the social media sites. It also starts from designing the banner which we kind of boost on the social media, and it also starts with understanding the businesses. अगर आप लोगों के businesses understand नहीं कर पाओगे तो आप उनके लिए कैंपेन्स प्लान नहीं कर पाओगे. तो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में आपको क्रिएटिविटी के साथ बिजनेस के बारे में भी सिखाया जाएगा, and that's going to be amazing. A digital marketing person in BBA may have minimum package of 4 to 5 lakh rupees per month at this very situation. And very good thing about this is you can work for the companies as well as you can also take your own freelancing projects. That's how you earn two ways. That's what a lot of digital marketing guys are doing nowadays. Real estate management. आप मार्केटिंग बीबीए मार्केटिंग में शायद आप एडमिशन लेने का सोच रहे होंगे, but then why you want to go ahead with marketing? Because you need to market certain products. Now पैंडेमिक के बाद जो मार्केटिंग चल रहा है वो सर्विसेज का मार्केटिंग चल रहा है. फूड डिलीवरी सर्विसेज, हेल्थ केयर डिलीवरी सर्विसेज, हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज, सम अदर ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज. एंड पैंडेमिक में एक चीज जो लोगों को बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आ गई है, दैट इज टू हैव योर ओन हाउस एंड टू हैव योर ओन स्पेसियस हाउस. ऑफ कोर्स रिसेशन आएगा, रिसेशन की वजह से प्रॉपर्टीज का प्राइजेस कम होगा, बट एट द सेम टाइम दिस इज द टाइम फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ हाउस बायर्स जो एंड यूजर्स है, जिनको सच में घर की जरूरत है. they will not postpone their decision to buy the houses. In fact, अगर property की rates थोड़े भी कम होते हैं तो a lot of people will consider this as one of the good investment option again. And to sell all these units, flat units, plot units, commercial properties, they will need a team of good business development people. And all of those things we are going to teach you into real estate management. Hospital administration, starting from customer service executive till floor manager till billing person, they need a lot of people to manage the hospitals. And jobs in hospitals are always respected jobs. अभी हम कोरोना वॉरियर्स बोल रहे हैं इन लोगों को. I would rather go ahead and say that these people should be, you know, awarded with some kind of special certifications or allowances or some kind of awards when the pandemic is over. Because starting from the nurses till doctors till administrator, everybody has done fantastic job in serving patients in such a risky situation. Foreign trading had been always the popular and one of the best choices from a lot of students. And I encourage all the people out there who are looking forward for BBA, they should come ahead and join this kind of courses. And I'm very proud to say that we have all these courses available in our Pune campus, Navi Mumbai campus, Solapur Sangli campus, as well as Delhi NCR and Bangalore campus. Computer and IT graduates. You know, yesterday only I read a news saying that HCL is now hiring 15,000 candidates. पैंडेमिक में पॉजिटिवली अफेक्टेड इंडस्ट्रीज में आईटी इंडस्ट्री भी है. एंड व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट आईटी इंडस्ट्री, आई एम स्पेसिफिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडस्ट्रीज हु आर रनिंग ऑन एआई एंड ब्लॉकचेन एप्लीकेशंस, द इंडस्ट्रीज हु आर इनटू एप्लीकेशन डिजाइनिंग, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स, बिग डेटा. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो आप किसी भी नॉर्मल कॉलेज में जाके अगर आप कभी कंप्यूटर्स या बीटेक आईटी करने का सोच रहे हो, थिंक इट वाइजली. क्योंकि किसी भी कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटी ने पैंडेमिक के दौरान बिल्कुल भी रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट नहीं किया है इन इम्प्रूविंग द सिलेबसेस. वो आपको वही सिलेबस सिखाएंगे जो 5 साल पहले डिजाइन हुआ है, एंड सेम सिलेबस विल बी कंटिन्यूड फॉर नेक्स्ट 4 years. और 4 साल बाद जब आप आपका बीटेक का या बी का कोर्स करके मार्केट में जाओगे, you will know nothing about the market trends क्योंकि वो आपको सिखाया ही नहीं गया है. Then you will search for some kind of classes जहाँ पे आपको Python, Java, .NET and what not, बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस के कोर्सेस एक्स्ट्रा पैसे देके करने पड़ेंगे, जिसमें आपका लगभग 1 से 2 साल इन्वेस्ट हो सकते हैं और मनी भी. So what if we offer you AI, blockchain, application integration, IoT, big data, digital marketing certifications along with your computers and IT. Within 4 years of time, you will learn your traditional syllabus, which is designed by college, university and AICT. And we as editors, through our knowledge partner, we will teach you all these certifications, which you can right now see on the screen. Wouldn't it be a good thing? Wouldn't it be a great thing? Guys, If you know about all these things which are mentioned on my screen right now, you will be most preferred resource for any industry out there. And I'm taking this responsibility of placing all the students who are admitting in such kind of courses on the package of 3.5 lakh rupees. But trust me, this is the minimum thing which I'm promising you. If you're aware of all these things and if you come with this kind of certifications during your engineering itself, you are worth more. You're worth more than 3.5. That is for sure. But then again and again, I'm telling you one thing, you have to make correct choices. Your life is a result of your own choices, and choice is yours. Choice is yours. If you want to go ahead with traditional BE BTech courses, or you want to go ahead with BTech and BE plus courses which are designed by Aditus. Civil, mechanical engineering, electrical and ENTC can be one of the option for a lot of students. But then yes, I completely trust that इस फील्ड में इंजीनियरिंग करने के लिए जो लोग अभी रेडी है, दे मे नॉट सी अ ब्राइट फ्यूचर, बट ट्रस्ट मी, 4 साल है आपके हाथ में. Once you complete civil engineering, mechanical engineering from this stream, along with the certifications like construction management, facility management, interior designing, the future is yours. Why? Because a lot of civil engineers, they spend 4 years of their life in doing civil engineering, then they go ahead with 2 years of certification course into construction management, certification or degree course. उस डिग्री कोर्सेज का फीस जो हमारे अपने नॉलेज पार्टनर्स चार्ज करते हैं, दैट इज एडिशनल 6 लाख रुपीस. What if we combine those certificates during your BE itself? That the generation is advanced. आप लोग हम लोगों से काफी स्मार्ट है, हमारे जनरेशन से आपका जनरेशन काफी स्मार्ट है. सिमिलर वे आपका ग्रास्पिंग पावर भी हम लोगों से ज्यादा अच्छा है, एंड द काइंड ऑफ facilities are provided to you in terms of laptop, internet connection, smartphones. It only adds into your smartness. So you're capable of handling many things. So even if we offer you construction management, facilities management with your traditional degree courses, you will be able to make best out of it. Do you trust it or not? Don't you think that you guys are advanced? So don't you think that when we talk about advancement of yours, you are capable of catching all these things only during your civil engineering? So do you need to spend 2 more years and lakhs of money doing your MBA or doing your certification courses into construction facility or interior designing? Absolutely not. Here we are offering you this package very first time in India to conquer this particular career option. Let's come on this courses into science. So traditional BSc courses में क्या होता है? Traditional BSc courses में you get to learn about zoology, botany, physics, chemistry, mathematics, agriculture, and stuff like that. But what if this traditional specialization come with addition or plus of hospital administration, quantity surveying, agribusiness management? मतलब आपके ग्रेजुएशन के टाइम में ही हम आपको जो करियर ऑप्शंस आपके लिए अवेलेबल है वो कोर्सेज करने के बाद, जैसे बीएससी जूलॉजी बॉटनी करने के बाद यू कैन वर्क इन अ हॉस्पिटल. Yes, you can actually work in a hospital. You don't know about it. Maybe after doing your BSc PCM, there is a lot of vacancies available only for QS, quantity surveying. Quantity surveying के लिए बहुत सारे jobs available है. The only thing you need is you have to have mathematics as your base. We are not aware of all these courses. Hence what we have done is via Aditus we have tried to combine your traditional courses with the certification courses so that the jobs become easy. मैं आपको प्री प्लेसमेंट ऑफर लेटर का assurance कैसे दे रही हूँ? Because I'm combining this plus factor with your traditional thing, so that you become eligible for such jobs. जिन जिन जॉब्स कर जो जॉब्स करने के लिए इंडस्ट्री के पास करेक्ट रिसोर्सेस नहीं है, तो आपको ये प्रोवाइड करके, ये प्लस फैक्टर प्रोवाइड करके, वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक यू अ परफेक्ट कॉर्पोरेट पर्सन required by the industry. BCom will be provided by plus of microfinance and banking and real estate. Why? Because it is in demand. आपका graduation होता है, you learn your syllabus which is prescribed by university. We provide you industry driven training and we place you. It's the simple formula of getting or converting your PPO into final placement offer later. Guys, Aditus, coming back to Aditus, Aditus gives you access to social media and content. Our content is very rich in features. We have this audio video recording thing available on your social media. You can actually have your own vlog kind of thing. You can go live on our social media and you can do everything which is related to your studies, admissions and academics. Everything is connected via just this one application called as Aditus. Our features also include networking, discussion forums, media sharing, blogging, bookmarking, sharing economy and social shopping. आप सब लोग इतने स्मार्ट है कि अगर आप Aditus डाउनलोड करके just उसको scroll भी करते हो, if you just flip through the pages, you will easily understand it. It's very user friendly application. Life cycle with Aditus is you enroll with us, you take the assessment, your pre-placement offer letter is been given. After getting pre-placement offer letter, you confirm the admission. Admission लेने के बाद your fees, transactions and your funding will be taken care by Aditus. You start your academics and then your recruitment happens. And it is also followed by the deputation. When we talk about deputation, it means your trainings in the industry. Assessment and campus allocation जो है Aditus के through, it is basically a combination of written, audio and video test and your academic score. So basically इसका evaluation होने के बाद we allocate you a specialization and we also allocate you the institute. उसका counseling जो है उसके लिए one-on-one आप हमारे contact में आ सकते हैं. We will assess you. We will assess your capabilities and according to your capabilities, IQ, EQ, personality traits, we will suggest you some kind of specializations. And of course, we understand your anxiety that you do not wish to go away from your family members at least for a year or so now because of this pandemic. So we have our presence very prominent. So you can actually get admitted to the campus, which is very much nearer to you. Academic शुरू होने के बाद there would be 5 days classroom session. Every week there will be an evaluation. This evaluation report will be updated on the app itself. That app reports will be also followed by your industry evaluation. हर semester में 3 से 4 महीने के लिए you will be sent in the industry, maybe in a part-time basis, to work there on the profile which has been mentioned in your pre-placement offer letter. That we call it as a deputation. So basically everybody's academics will be look like this: classroom sessions, weekly evaluations, after your deputation, and then evaluation after deputation. Guys, this is all about Aditus. I suggest you all to download this app once in your mobile phone from Play Store. It is available in Play Store. Yes, we are yet to come on the Apple platform, but yes, we are very much available on all Android phones. You can also type register.aditus.in. I'll repeat it, register.aditus.in, and take the assessment, at least to check your employability. I would again say thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you as one of our member on Aditus app. Thank you so much.